Today we're going to show you how to change the light switch on your refrigerator, and it's a really easy job. All you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a small flat blade screwdriver. Let me show you how we do it. Now before we begin this repair, we're going to start by disconnecting the power to the refrigerator. Simply pull the plug, and we'll open up the refrigerator door, and you should remove any items that are on the top shelf. And next we're going to remove two Phillips screws that are located in the control housing that attach it to the ceiling. There's one towards the front, and you can either use a Phillips screwdriver or a 1/4-inch hex head nut driver. Lower the housing down and pull it slightly forward. You can actually disconnect the wire harness connector to the ceiling and pull that complete unit out, and then we can set it on a suitable work surface and we can change that switch. Now that we have the control housing on a suitable work surface, we'll begin by removing the two wires that connect to that switch. So with our needle nose pliers, we'll just slide those off the terminals. We can move those out of the way. Now with a flat blade screwdriver, we'll go down in on the right side of that switch and we'll depress that locking tab while at the same time pushing outward on the switch. And then we'll come in on the left side and just push it out through. Now we can rotate that switch right through the opening on the front, and we can set that aside. We'll take our new switch. We'll rotate it in the same position, making sure that the terminals go to the left as you're facing it from the front. Press it in until it snaps into place. Then we'll reconnect the wires. Make sure the terminals fit snug. If they appear to be a bit loose, you can just squeeze them a bit with the needle nose pliers. And now we're ready to reinstall the housing back into the refrigerator. So we'll line up those two locator tabs at the back as well as the drain outlet. We'll reconnect that harness connector, make sure it locks into position. Tilt the housing up, hold it in place, and then we'll replace one of the screws just to secure it. Replace the second screw. We can reconnect the power, and our repair is complete.